Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing something a little different. We are doing a get unready with me. So basically it's just a nighttime skincare and personal care routine, and I have a lot of goodies to share with you guys. So let's get started. First we're going to take off all of our jewelry because it's bedtime and we are winding down, getting unready. Now that we're jewelry free, I'm going to be moving my hair back and getting it out of my face. Next, we're going to be removing all of the makeup off of our face with a lovely face wipe. It's like all the hard work that you've done for that day just coming off of your face. I was wearing my SKY Beauty liquid lipstick in designer. Gotta take this baby off. I should have done it last. But yeah, shop my natural and organic cosmetic line now. www.skybeautyco.org. So before I start this whole skincare routine, I do want to share with you guys that I'm going to be using my Duvolle Radiance Skincare system. Now it comes with 4 different brushes, which I'll explain later. I'm really excited to use this, and I love the packaging that it comes in, so I just wanted to show you guys while it is still in the packaging. So yeah, super cool. I'm just gonna get it ready for what's next. You just take the bottom off, and then you put 4 AA batteries inside. These 2 brushes, one's for exfoliating and one's for cleansing. This one is the exfoliating brush, this is the cleansing brush. So I'm going to pop the cleansing brush on there first and then set this aside. So now, just to give my face a little basic clean, just to make sure that all that makeup is off, we're using these Alizé facial pads, which are really cool because I'll show you. They're actually facial cleansing sheets. Like, this is literally thin as paper, and then you put it on your face, get it wet, and then it foams up, which is really cool. So I'm going to dab my face with some water, and we are carefully going to as you can see, there's already foaming up with the water that I have on my face. Our Duvolle Radiant Skincare brush, we're just going to turn it on and make sure we get all of that makeup, dirt, oil, toxins, everything that we had on our face today. We're going to get every last bit of it gone. So same for the morning time skincare. I like to start with the chin and then work my way up. This is just a really good rule of thumb when you're cleaning your face. So you're going to see all of the makeup that we're going to be removing once I show you guys the brush. Just love the way this feels on my skin. This feels like a little at-home facial. So that is really nice. And it also gets in the nose area really good. The forehead. And then under the eyes. Now guys, look at that. That is crazy. My brush that was white is now brown with makeup. So yeah, we're gonna wash this off and then do the next step. All better. And now, since we wore makeup all day and we were kind of harsh on our face, I mean, you probably weren't, but I'm normally harsh on my face when I do a routine like this. We're going to do a nice and gentle deep cleaning with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I love this stuff. And then mix with the exfoliation brush, like it's just a really good to do. Now these bristles are way more soft. Layering it on top, it feels like not going too hard, just like a nice little exfoliation. Very smooth, nice and relaxing. Just gonna wash it off, pat dry. Now we're gonna do a quick little face mask, and I'm going to do the Indian Healing Clay Mask just because this is so bomb, and I'm gonna mix it with apple cider vinegar. So I actually got this mask on Amazon, and it was in my Amazon must-have haul, so definitely go check that out. Matches the outfit. Which I will probably come back changed in since we are getting unready. I'll probably come back in my pajamas. Cute. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. And I'm back. Now I did throw on some pajamas because of course it's a get unready with me. I throw on some pajamas. It's so hard talking with this face mask on. Completely dry and it is feeling stiff. So we're just gonna wipe it off. Okay, so we just patted it dry a little bit. Now I'm taking my Lavender Hemp Oil on there tonight. And we're gonna put this in our T-zone. This is like a must before and after skincare, face care, putting on makeup. Like, I just love this oil. And I actually found this oil at Ross, so good little Ross find along with that Ross haul. I hope you guys just enjoyed because I just posted it. Go check out my Ross haul. I found a lot of cute outfits. If you guys want me to do like a Ross knick-knack or like things other than clothes from Ross, let me know. I can definitely do a haul like that. Last but not least, we always go to bed with a hydrating, moisturizing bed mask. Now basically this is just like a moisturizer that you sleep in. It's a little thick, it's like a bedtime mask, but you don't wipe it off, if that makes sense. So what I like to do is I like to mix these two up. This is a collagen one and this is the aqua one. I feel like these two are both very, very important. So I just like to take a little bit of both. Oh, and by the way, I actually got these at Francesca's. Do extra collagen on that forehead to get rid of forehead wrinkles. Nicely massage it into our skin. Feels so nice and smooth. Just a good thing to do to wear like a night moisturizing mask. It's a good little tip that I like doing all the time. Just really nicely massaging, rubbing all of that in. And then with our hands, again, good tip, always take care of your hands. Can't forget about our lips. My SKY Beauty Vanilla Lip Conditioner is a must, so you need her. And it's just like the perfect little final step, and especially if you want to have good lips. Keep them not chapped, and just keep them smooth, youthful, and plumped. I got you, boo. So yeah, this is like all beat up just because I use it literally every day. Literally use them every second of every day. So yeah, shameless plug, I don't care, but you guys need. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Get Unready with me / nighttime care routine. Let me know what you guys do for your nighttime care routine in the comments down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button because every sky needs their clouds. Bye clouds and good night. I love you.